Hey guys, it's me again, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I'm going to be blowing out my natural hair, and this is actually the first time that I'm putting heat on my natural hair since becoming natural. So it's been well over 3 years, but I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to work out for me. So I decided to pick up this blow dryer, and this is the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler, and I bought mine from Amazon for about $29. And I've been noticing a lot of naturals raving about this hair dryer, so I decided to purchase it and try it out for myself and see if it was worth the hype, see how it's going to work out on my natural hair. But yeah, as you guys can see, my hair is sectioned off into quite a few small sections, but we're going to go ahead and get started. So firstly, I'm going to spritz my hair down using my Main Choice 4-leaf clover leave-in conditioning spray, and this leave-in conditioner is actually formulated for type 4 textured hair, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that. So for heat protectant, I'm using this Revlon protein recharge leave-in conditioning cream, and this also doubles as a heat protectant, so I'm going to use it as that. So I'm using a small amount of that cream and I'm applying it to that small section. I'm going to work it through evenly, then I'm going to lightly finger detangle. Then you're going to also see me split that section into 2 small subsections, and then I'm going to further detangle my hair using a white tooth comb. So here is the blow dryer, and I must mention beforehand that this really isn't going to be a tutorial or a review. It's mainly just me sharing with you guys my experience with this blow dryer, as well as myself documenting the first time I put heat on my hair since becoming natural. So whatever you choose to take from this video, take it as you will, but we're going to go ahead and jump right in. For starters, I must say that this blow dryer is pretty lightweight. I did watch quite a few different reviews on this blow dryer, and a lot of people mentioned that it was on the heavier side, but for me, it was pretty lightweight. You are going to eventually get used to the weight. But this is the first completed section, and I was pretty satisfied. Now you do still notice that I have a lot of texture in my hair, but I didn't want to use the blow dryer too much on that one section and risk my hair becoming heat damage. So however you choose to use the blow dryer on your own hair, you can definitely use it that way. But I do want to highly suggest this blow dryer for people who are planning on using a flat iron, because it does knock out a lot of the time and the effort, especially if you're used to doing the tension method using a blow dryer. Again, this blow dryer just really goes in and gets straight to work. So again, you are knocking out a lot of the time. But I'm going to continue to do exactly what I was doing. If you guys are interested in seeing Alicia, she also used this blow dryer and she blew out her hair. That video is coming pretty soon. Go ahead and give this video a like and a comment if you guys want to see that. But yeah, if you guys also check the info box below, I will have everything that I used throughout this video listed there. So you guys don't have to comment and ask me exactly what I use. It will always be in the info box below. But yeah, here is my second section complete, and again, I am absolutely loving the results. But again, I'm going to continue to do exactly what I just did. I'm taking down one of my sections and I am lightly finger detangling, spritzing my hair down with a little bit of my Main Choice 4-leaf clover leave-in conditioning spray. I'm following up with my L'Oreal protein recharge leave-in conditioning cream that also doubles as a heat protectant, and that's how I'm using it. I'm going to further finger detangle and then detangle again using my white tooth comb from my roots to tips. And then holding the blow dryer brush downward, I'm going to just go ahead and blow dry my hair. I also want to mention that there is a medium-sized hole that expresses the heat in the air located in the top of the blow dryer. So pretty much you are going to need to hold the brush in the upward position, blow drying your hair going downward for best results. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and complete blow drying up the section, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I'm finally finished with one half of my head, and I want to say that it took me around 20 minutes to complete it, pretty much applying my products, detangling, and blowing out my hair section by section. And I must say that I'm pretty satisfied with my results, and it's kind of weird seeing my hair blown out because it's been such a long time. It takes me back to my relaxed days when I used to sit there and blow out my hair and flat iron it. So man, it's kind of different for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and complete my head doing the exact thing on the opposite section, applying my products, detangling, and then blowing out my hair section by section. And once I'm finally finished, I'm going to come back with you guys with my final take. Okay, you guys, so we are finally finished, and I know I look a hot mess. You guys don't mind me, but let me know what you guys think. If you guys own this blow dryer for yourself, what were you guys' results? Do you guys think that is worth it? Also, check out my faux cornrows videos. I did do that hairstyle on my blown out hair if you guys have not seen it yet. Also, stay tuned for Alicia's take using a blow dryer, and you guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.